Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Wendy Jo. Sorry I've been missing in action. I have been in bed sick. You can still kind of hear it, but I promised you guys some new recordings, and so I wanted to get these up and out there. Today we're going to start with a short one because I don't know how long my voice is going to last, but I wanted to tell you a little bit more about SEO or search engine optimization and just a little trick you can do on your website that will help optimize each and every page. And that is working with long tail keywords and tags inside of your images that you post on your website. So I know a lot of people are jumping ship from Etsy right now because of the chaos over there with them raising their rates and all the different things. And I think one of the biggest fears in leaving Etsy is, what if people don't find my shop? And so it's important that you have good search engine optimization on your website so that people can find what you have to offer. So I am actually going to share my screen with you guys here. So I have got an image pulled up. So this is my daughter's business. So she sells these little boba tea keychains and boba tea lip glosses at sweeties.shop if you ever want to go check that out, sweeties.shop. But anyway, these are some of her boba lip glosses. And you can see all of these have that typical IMG _ number JPEG, okay? And this is not optimized at all for your website. And this is such a simple little trick. It's gonna look maybe slightly different on a PC versus a Mac. I have a Mac, but the first thing you wanna do is go up here and change the name of the image. And you want to name it what it is, boba tea lip gloss. And I encourage you to use words that people will search for, okay? So people are gonna be searching for boba tea. They also might look for milk tea, those types of things. And so what I'm gonna do, I don't wanna overcrowd the name. I'm just gonna do boba tea lip gloss. But then here in the tags, I'm actually going to put milk, why is it not typing the letter M? There we go, milk tea lip gloss, and hit enter. What other things? I can put St. Patrick's Day lip gloss, because even though it's not St. Patrick's Day lip gloss, it is green and people might be looking for something to have for St. Patty's Day. Enter. So you're going to add all of your tags that describe your business or that are going to help you to be found on Google in the tags of this image. And one really good way to find keywords for SEO is on a couple of different sites, actually. I've got two of them pulled up here. So Marmalade is a great one. This is actually one that is created for Etsy. I still have an account, but it will not let me search anything because I'm no longer paying for it. And I no longer have an Etsy account because last year Etsy cut us off after 17 years with no warning. And we just completely moved everything off site. Which was way better for us anyway. Another site you can use though is ERank. And the great thing about ERank is not only is it going to tell you, let me move myself over here for a second. It's going to tell you trends that are buzzing right now. So your keywords on Etsy are home decor, gifts, handmade jewelry, stickers, minimalist. And it tells you the searches, like changes up or down. Most sales on Etsy. These are actual stores that have the most sales on Etsy currently. And even if you're not selling on Etsy, you can still go in and do research on these shops and use some of the keywords that they are using in order to optimize your website. So you can optimize your images, which is what we're talking about today, and then we'll go into more of optimizing your website on the next video. But so like if I was to click on here, let's see if it will actually, I don't know if it's going to actually take me into their website or, okay, total sales, their sales rank #1 globally. So they've had over 1 million sales, and it's not a handmade product. They sell supplies, which has been huge on Etsy. Obviously, I do not have a paid version of this, and so I can't go any further in here. I can, however, go over to Etsy and do some exploring there. I can do keyword explore, etc. So ERank is definitely a great tool. If you want to pay for a tool, it's definitely one of those that I would recommend. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually go back over here to the search option. Now, on the free version of ERank, you can only search 50 words a day. So that's important to keep in mind. So if you have a lot of work to do, make sure that you really plan ahead with your keyword searching before you jump into ERank to search those long tail keywords, because you only get 50 shots at it. So I'm actually going to search for boba tea lip gloss and just see what it says. Okay. Etsy competition is very, very high for the word tea. It is less high for the word lip gloss. It is even less high for the word boba. The competition is not bad at all for boba tea. Okay. And is it a long tail keyword? Maybe. Then you've got boba lip gloss. It doesn't even rank in the competition, which means there's not a lot of people searching for it. And so what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to target people that are looking for boba tea related items, but maybe don't know that they want boba tea lip gloss, if that makes sense. So I can look at all of these different little words over here, and you can go deeper in. And obviously, I mean, you're going to want to upgrade if you want to know all of the details. I just wanted to kind of show you what you can do on here. Actually, it looks like I can only search 5 per day. I thought it said I could do 50, but maybe that's a different section. So you can search 5 words a day on here. But anyway, so we have tea, lip gloss, boba, all that kind of stuff. So there's a lot of competition on Etsy for those particular words, but this will help you break those things down. There's also, of course, I've told you guys about this before, Google Trends. And you can search boba. I don't even know if this will pull anything up on here, but we'll look. Lip gloss. Okay, so lip gloss is a word. Bubble tea is a word that people search. So what we're going to do over here in our tags is we are going to put in lip gloss because people are searching it, and we're going to put in bubble tea because people are searching it. So you're just going to add your keywords into the tags here, and once you're happy with all the tags that you have in there, then you want to upload this to your website only after you've added that information on there, because now when people are searching for boba tea lip gloss or bubble tea or whatever, then not only is Google going to find it in your image description because it can see it, but you're also going to use these same keywords that you have added into your title here in your website. So you're going to use milk tea lip gloss and different things like that inside of your website as well. Here's another place where you can add keywords to your image. The thing with this is I always add these same keywords over here. I honestly do not know if all of these keywords will actually show up in the Google searches, but I feel like it cannot hurt to have them in all the places. And then you're going to upload it to your website, and you will be good to go for starting that optimization on your website. And then I recommend that you open like a notepad on here, and that way you can type all those keywords in there, and you can use the same ones or variations of them on your different images, and it's going to help pull people into your site. I'm not going to go any further in depth into that right now, but I did want to show you that little trick because it is super important that you know how to optimize your images for your website, because that is part of being found. So if you're looking at leaving Etsy and you're building your own website and you're worried about, what's next, this is what's next. You need to go in and you need to start optimizing your images, getting things organized. It's not going to happen instantly. Yes, you can pay somebody to do it, but I have all kinds of recordings on my YouTube channel. Here's a few of them up here that you can go to that show you how to build your own website and all of the different options, and then also different options to earn income in other ways as well. So if you're looking for a change, so optimize your images. That's the first thing you need to do to get your website optimized. So get that done, and then we'll come back in and I'm going to actually go in and show you on ECWID what I do to go in and optimize each listing and the entire website so that it's easier for people to find us. All right, you guys have a great day. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and like, and if you have any questions, just put them in the comments below.